In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send a shipping notification on Squarespace in just about 5 minutes. Let's jump right into it. The first step in this process is to navigate to the Squarespace website. Once you're on the home page, the next thing you'll need to do is log into your account. It's pretty straightforward. Simply click on the login button you'll find on the page. For those of you who prefer using Google to streamline your login process, Squarespace has you covered. You'll see an option to continue with Google. Just click on that and it will bring up a list of Google accounts. From here, select the Google account you wish to use. It's essential to choose the account associated with your Squarespace site to avoid any mix-up. After successfully logging in, the next step is to click on your website from the dashboard. Squarespace's user-friendly dashboard displays all the websites associated with your account, making it easy to select the desired one for which you intend to send a shipping notification. Once you've selected your website, it's time to dive into the settings where all the magic happens. You can easily navigate to the settings by following the provided link or locate the settings option from your Squarespace dashboard. This is where you can configure a multitude of parameters related to your website, but for today our focus is on sending a shipping notification. So after entering the settings section, your next move is to locate and click on customer notifications. This section controls all notifications sent to your customers, including order confirmations, shipping updates, and more, making it a critical spot for managing how you communicate with your customers post-purchase. Within customer notifications, you'll find an option to edit email. This feature allows you to customize the emails that are sent out to customers, including the shipping notifications we're focusing on. Click on Edit Email to proceed to the customization area. Once you're in the edit mode, you'll notice that Squarespace provides a default template for various notifications. Our task is to tweak this template to serve as a shipping notification. Editing the form might require a bit of creativity and an understanding of what information your customers will find helpful. Essential details might include the tracking number, expected delivery date, a thank you message, and perhaps a link to where they can track their shipment. Customize this template to reflect your brand's voice and the crucial information your customers anticipate receiving once their order is on its way. After making the necessary changes, review your customized shipping notification template to ensure all information is accurate and presented in a clear, friendly manner. Remember, this notification is part of your customer's post-purchase experience, so it should reinforce their decision to buy from your store, assure them their package is on its way, and provide them with all the necessary details to track their shipment. And that's it. You've successfully customized and are now ready to send shipping notifications to your customers directly from Squarespace. This process not only enhances your professional appearance, but significantly contributes to a positive shopping experience for your customers. Before wrapping up, here's a quick tip. Consider adding personal touches to your shipping notifications. A little personalization goes a long way in making your customers feel valued and building long-term relationships with them. Whether it's a simple thank you for your order note or personalized recommendations for future purchases, these small gestures can significantly impact customer satisfaction. Thank you for joining me in today's tutorial on how to send a shipping notification on Squarespace. I hope you found these steps easy to follow and that you're now well equipped to enhance your customers' post-purchase experience with tailored, informative shipping notifications. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Remember, great customer service starts with clear communication, and sending out detailed shipping notifications is a fantastic way to keep your customers in the loop and satisfied with their purchase. Happy selling,